As your website grows, keeping a glossary up to date becomes increasingly time-consuming. The e-commerce version of the CM Tooltip Glossary plugin helps automate this process while still keeping full control in your hands. In this video, we will look at how you can use an AI assistant to scan your content, discover new glossary terms, and review them before publishing. To configure the Terms Discovery feature, go to the e-commerce settings tab. First, choose the AI service you want to use, ChatGPT or Gemini. For the selected service, generate an API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the plugin settings. After saving the settings, head to the Terms Discovery section. Here you can select the AI model. The list of available models depends on which API keys you've added. Next, enable Terms Discovery. Choose which post types should be scanned and define how many posts are scanned per day. You can monitor the progress using the progress bar below. You can also customize the discovery prompt. For example, you can ask the AI to focus only on specific topics such as medicine, sports, or technology. Or you can limit how many terms are extracted from each post, for example up to 10 terms, to avoid unnecessary or obvious words. Below you will find the settings for AI-assisted definition creation. These prompts are used later when you review suggested terms. You can edit the predefined prompts and choose which one is used by default. You can also define the preferred lengths of generated definitions. Each prompt must include the placeholder term, so the AI knows which term it is creating a definition for. If you want to receive email notifications about newly discovered terms, you can enable reminders, choose how often they are sent, add one or more recipient emails, and customize the email subject and content. Now save the settings. Once enabled, the plugin scans the defined number of posts every day at midnight. If needed, you can click Run Now to start the scan manually. The selected number of posts will be scanned shortly, depending on your cron schedule. You can also scan a specific post or page manually. Open the post and click Run Scan in the meta box. This is useful if you have updated the content and want to rescan it for new terms. The meta box also shows whether the post has already been scanned along with the scan date and time. Now let's look at how to manage discovered terms. Head to the Terms Discovery page in the plugin menu. All newly found terms appear under the Suggested Terms tab. You can filter them by term name, source post, or discovery date. Each term offers two creation options, manual creation and AI creation. Clicking Create manually opens the standard term editor where you can write and publish the definition yourself. For AI-assisted creation, you have two options. Adjust Prompt lets you choose and edit a prompt specifically for this term. Create with AI uses the default prompt you selected in the settings. In both cases, AI-generated definitions are created as drafts. Click Open Draft to review and edit the definition, then publish it when ready. Once a term is created, it moves to the Created Terms tab. If you decide not to use certain suggested terms and don't want them to appear again, you can delete them in bulk. Deleted terms are stored in a separate tab and can be restored if needed. In the Created Terms tab, you can review all published terms, edit or delete them, see where they were discovered, check the prompt used, and sort the list by name, publish date, or creation method. The creation method can have three values. Manual. The term was created entirely by hand. Hybrid. AI was used, but the term was reviewed before publishing. Auto-created. Used only when full automation is enabled. This workflow is covered in our another video. That's how CM Tooltip Glossary helps you expand your glossary efficiently without manually reviewing every post. Thanks for watching!